sweet people now. The other one is 22. I remember when they were kids, there are so many things they wanted. Even now, if I had $25 million just sitting in my account, nothing to do, and my 22-year-old says, Dad, I want a Ferrari. You know, I love that girl so much. I love her so much that I will say, no,